Have you ever wondered why, when thinking of love, you feel it deep within but not where you'd expect? While poems, songs, and stories have romanticized the heart as love's dwelling place, it's actually the brain orchestrating every flutter and ache. Yes, the epicenter of love is far from the heart. Our emotions, especially something as profound as love, are governed by the brain. According to the insightful work by neuroscientist Stephanie Cacioppo, author of Wired for Love, love isn't just a fleeting feeling or a poetic muse. It's a biological necessity, as vital for our well-being as exercise, water, and food. The notion that love blossoms in the brain might surprise you, given the age-old association of love with the heart. However, Cacioppo's research dives deep into the heart of this matter. Using functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, she discovered a fascinating phenomenon. When in love, up to 12 distinct areas of the brain collaborate, releasing a cocktail of chemicals. From dopamine, the hormone behind those feel-good moments, to oxytocin, fondly dubbed the cuddle hormone, and even adrenaline, which can induce sheer euphoria. It's astonishing that merely thinking of a love interest can trigger a surge of these chemicals. But here's a curious twist. During her research, Cacioppo observed a significant drop in serotonin levels in subjects in love. Why does this matter? Well, serotonin plays a vital role in regulating our appetite and intrusive thoughts. Given that lower serotonin levels are linked to disorders like anxiety and OCD, it explains why those freshly in love might obsess over minute details or, say, ponder endlessly over a simple text message. If you've ever skipped lunch lost in thoughts of a love interest, this brain chemistry provides a clue. As you journey through life, you'll experience a spectrum of love. But how does the love you feel for a love interest differ from the love for a friend or a hobby? The University of Cambridge provides an answer: the distinction between platonic and romantic love. While both share the release of oxytocin and vasopressin, romantic love possesses certain neurotransmitters that amplify its passion and intensity. In essence, while you can deeply love a friend, the brain recognizes and categorizes this affection differently. This understanding isn't merely academic. Recognizing the difference can guide our interactions and expectations, ensuring we nurture each relationship type with the attention it deserves. However, love isn't without its risks. Like any powerful emotion, it can sway our judgment and dominate our lives. Love's addictive nature is echoed in countless songs and stories. Some argue that love can be as perilous as any addiction due to the overwhelming surge of hormones. An article by Harvard University titled "Love Actually," penned by Catherine Wu, compares attraction to an addiction to another human being. Anthropologist and TED speaker Helen Fisher furthers this notion, suggesting love addiction, characterized by craving, tolerance, withdrawal, and relapse, is very real. Ritual to enhance love life through self-awareness. 1. Introspection. Dedicate 10 minutes daily to introspection. Reflect on your feelings, desires, and fears regarding love. Understand where they stem from. 2. Journal. Write down your reflections. Documenting helps process and track your emotions, guiding you towards clearer understanding. 3. Brain versus heart check. When faced with a decision regarding a love interest, pause. Ask yourself, is this my brain's chemicals guiding me or a genuine connection? 4. Seek balance. Recognize and respect the power of love, but strive for balance. Ensure that love enriches your life but doesn't consume it. 5. The more you understand love from a neuroscientific perspective, the better equipped you'll be to navigate its highs and lows. Regularly read up on the latest findings and be open to learn. In conclusion, love is intricate, powerful, and deeply rooted in our biology. Understanding its underpinnings can empower us to approach relationships with greater awareness and authenticity. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to the matters of the heart, or rather, the brain.